Hi everyone, so in this tutorial I'll show you how to make this pretty summer dress. I have my cups ready here, and if you want to know how to do the cups, I have posted the link down below in the description box. I have a separate tutorial on how to do the bikini cups. So I'll now put these cups together here corner to corner, and I'll join them with a slip stitch. So I have a loop here. I'm just gonna insert my hook and pull through the thread through both stitches, and now I'm just gonna insert my hook in the next one, pick up the yarn and pull through, and this is gonna be the slip stitch. This is how I'm gonna join the cups, and just gonna insert in the next one and one more, and I think one more. And now I have joined them together, and I'm just gonna cut off the yarn and pull through, secure it, and this is how I join the cups. So the cups are already joined, and now I'm going to be working on the side straps. So now I'm just going to start my side strap on the right hand side. I'm going to insert the yarn, attach the yarn again in the right corner in the very first stitch. I pull up the loop. I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to be working 6 half double crochets. So this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I'm going to turn and carry on working half double crochets across the row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now I'm going to chain up 2 again, and this is how I'm going to be working. I'm going to carry on working the short rows of half double crochets until I reach approximately 30 centimeters or about 12 inches maybe, and then I'll meet you at the very end. So I have finished my straps, and now I'm just going to do a couple of rows of half double crochet just along this line around my cups. So I'm going to attach the yarn in the corner, and I'm just gonna do a few rows. So to start, I'm gonna chain 2 and simply do half double crochets all around. This is 1, 2, And basically I'm just gonna be doing a couple of rows of half double crochet, and I'm gonna meet you when I have finished them. So I have done 3 rows of half double crochet here around my cups, and now I'm going to join these 2 straps together so that I can start working from the top to the bottom. So I attach the straps and I'm gonna join them together using the slip stitch as I normally do. So I have a loop here on one of the straps, and then I'm just gonna insert the hook and pull through the loop, pull the loop through both straps, and then I'm gonna insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull through like this, insert, pick up the yarn and pull through the loop. And this is how I'm gonna be joining my straps. And that's done. And now I'm just gonna cut it off like that and tie it up. Okay, so that's done. And now I'm gonna basically work from top to bottom in rounds, and this is the, yeah, and basically I'm gonna be working in rounds, and I will show you how I'm doing my next step. So I have completed the row of single crochets all the way across, and now I'm gonna be doing half double crochets. So I chained up 2, and now I'm gonna do half double crochets all the way across. Yarn over, insert your hook, pick up the yarn and pull through 3. Yarn over, insert the hook, 3 loops on the hook, on your hook, and then you pull through 3 loops on your hook. So I'll be working half double crochets all the way across, and I'll do few rows of half double crochets, and then I will carry on working on a pattern, and I'll show you what to do next. So I have done 6 rows of half double crochet, and now I'm gonna be doing a different stitch. So to start the stitch, I need to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm gonna skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the fourth stitch, I'll do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And now I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna skip 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And in the fourth one, I'm gonna do 3 double crochets again. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm gonna chain 1, and I'm gonna skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the fourth one, I'm gonna do 3 double crochets. And again, chain 1, I'm gonna skip 3. 1, 2, 3. And in the fourth stitch, I'm gonna work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And this is how I'm gonna be working across the whole row, and I'll meet you at the end. So I have nearly completed this round. I have my last stitch left here, and to finish off this round, I will work 2 double crochets in this first stitch, here from the chain 4 that I did at the beginning of this round. So I do 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and then I will join 1, 2, 3. I will join with a slip stitch in the third, in the top chain here, in the third chain, 1, 2, 3. I'll insert a hook and I join with the slip stitch. And now I'm just going to slip stitch 1, and I will chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm gonna work 1 single crochet here in this chain 1 space between 2 groups of double crochets. And again, I'm gonna chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in this chain 1 space, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in the chain 1 space, and this is how I'm gonna be working until I reach the end of this round, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I have nearly finished my round. I have my last stitch here, and to close the round I need to chain 2, and I need to do 1 double crochet right here in the first chain of the chain 6 that I did at the beginning of the round. So like this, and this is the round complete. And now I will chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now I'm gonna do 3 double crochets in the third chain, 1, 2, 3, right in the middle. And now in the next one, now I'm gonna chain 1, and in the next chain 5 space I will work 3 double crochets in the third chain, 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna chain 1 and work 3 double crochets in the third chain, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. So this is the stitch that I'm going to be working, and I'll be just carrying on working my rounds, and I will meet you at the very end. So before I carry on with the main part of the dress, I'm just going to quickly show you how to do the straps. So to do the straps, I'm going to insert the yarn here on the top of the bikini cup. I'm inserting, and then I'm chaining 2, 1 and 2, and then I'm doing 2 half double crochets in the next 2 chains, and now I'm chaining 2 again. I turn and I do another 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, and now I'm chaining 2, 1, 2, and I'm doing 2 half double crochets here, 1 and 2. So this is gonna be my strap, and I'll be doing this on both sides. I'll be doing about 30 centimeters or about 12 inches long. So the dress is now ready, and this is what it looks like right now. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.